Hello and welcome to this video by MENNEKES Elektrotechnik GmbH & Co. KG. In this video, we will show you how to set up the Auto Start operating mode for the AMTRON Professional and AMEDIO Professional charging station. This requires the charging system to be installed. You will also need a laptop with administrator rights. The professional charging systems are not equipped with Wi-Fi, so you will also need a USB or Ethernet cable in addition to the laptop. In Auto Start operating mode, authorization is not required to start the charging process. Charging begins as soon as the vehicle is connected to the charging system and switches to status C or ready to charge. The charging process can be terminated via the connected vehicle. To configure this, connect your laptop to the charging system and open the web interface. Now click on the Backend menu tab. A Backend connection is not required for the Auto Start operating mode, so the connection type parameter needs to be set to No Backend. Save this setting by clicking the Save button. In the Authorization menu tab, set the free charging parameter to On. Save this setting as well by clicking the Save button. To activate the newly set operating mode, the charging system needs to be restarted.